Hello traders, hello investors, how are you doing today my friends? Welcome to another video here in the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan and today Tesla is going up nicely. We finally broke the mythical $1,000 and we are slightly above that point, going up 0.80% roughly. That's great. However, in the last few hours Tesla has been dropping a little bit, so let's see if this is a reason to panic or not. Let's see if Tesla is now ready to fly to the 1100s, to the 1200s. Let's talk about that and much more in this video. If you are already my subscriber, just remember, my friend, to click on the like button to support this channel. If you are new around here, consider subscribing because I do daily videos about Tesla. Every single day I will be here to update you guys about what's for us here in Tesla. So seriously, consider subscribing because our content is pretty damn good and I really believe it's going to be helpful to you. Now, Tesla, in the 1 hour chart, the trend is clearly bullish. Okay, this is a crystal clear bull trend, alright? There's no deny on that. We are doing higher highs, higher lows. Do we see any bearish structure? Do we see any bearish sign in Tesla? No, we don't see any bearish sign, any bearish structure. We see a very short-term correction. Yes, because we hit the 1040s, now we are near the $1,000 again. Okay, it is a correction, okay? It is different. It's not a bearish sign. Guys, we gotta understand the difference between corrections, pullbacks, and bearish signs, bearish structures that could reverse the trend. So far, we don't see any bearish structure. This movement is just a harmless pullback, and pullbacks happen, okay? They are normal, they are part of the process. I see some investors that they get so upset when they see Tesla dropping for whatever reason that they don't understand that pullbacks are natural movements and most of the time they are just opportunities for us. Even if you are an investor, a long-term investor, I mean, especially if you are a long-term investor, let's try to think logically over here about Tesla. You are a long-term investor, so you are investing in Tesla because you believe in the company, am I right? I mean, you believe the company is going to have a very nice growth, the company is a very good company, the total addressable market is amazing, Tesla is gonna grow, the electric vehicle industry is gonna grow as well, it is the future, so you believe Tesla is the future. You're gonna take a look at its financial health, at its growth potential, and you're gonna analyze the entire situation and say, okay, Tesla is a very good company, so I will invest at it. So, okay, you are investing in Tesla. Do you see it dropping? What does this mean? To you, as an investor, it is just another opportunity to buy or to add positions, because you don't want to buy at any price level. You want to buy at a point that it's going to optimize your own risk-reward ratio, that is going to optimize your cost basis, that is going to give you a very, very nice buy point, and you can add your positions at this point. So you're gonna buy Tesla when it is dropping, and you're gonna be grateful for the volatility. You're gonna be grateful because Tesla has ups and downs. So when we see corrections, let's face it, they are just opportunities to buy. Why? Because Tesla is a great company. Tesla is a buy. By default, Tesla is a buy. However, if you want to get a better price level, let's use technical analysis to optimize our risk-reward ratio. Now, Tesla is correcting. I think it could correct a little bit more, at least to the 21 EMA, but it seems the $983, this black line up here, is working as a very nice support level for Tesla, and this point is not here for any reason. This point was a support level in Tesla on January 10, and it was a resistance for Tesla on January 26 over here. Support level, resistance level. Now it is working as a support level again. So remember guys, the market has memory. Some price levels are gonna be very important for particular stocks, and we gotta understand these prices and see how stocks react near their key points. So this is how we use technical analysis properly. We don't use it to forecast or to predict the future because this is just astrology, okay? We use TA to understand how the players are reacting in Tesla right now. And right now, okay, so we don't have any bearish structure. We don't see any crystal clear reversal sign at it. Let's take a look at the daily chart. In the daily chart, the situation is very good. In the daily chart, we broke this pivot point for the first time since November, since when Elon Musk started selling his shares. Now we have a crystal clear bullish structure. We see a pivot point. What is the target for this pivot point? 11.15. It is here on my notes. Daily chart, next target, 11.15. Let's see when it's gonna hit there, because I don't know when Tesla is gonna hit its target, okay? TA can't tell me when. However, it gives me the answer of how the players are reacting, how the trend is looking like, and where could be our next buy points. Right now, I don't see any buy point in Tesla, but I will update you guys if we see one. Again, I am here every single day, so you guys are not gonna miss any buy point in Tesla. But right now, if we see a correction, as far as I know, Tesla could drop all the way down to 800s. I'm so sorry, to the 890s down here, and that would be acceptable because let me see, let me draw this tool over here, because we saw this point as a resistance. Now, if we see this point as a support again, that would be natural. It could be a phenomenal opportunity to buy Tesla around this price level again, because our target is still 11.15. I don't know how it's gonna do. Maybe it's gonna hit that point in one single bullish movement, right? Maybe it will. This is a real possibility. However, if we see a correction to the 890s, would you panic over here? Of course not, because the trend would still be bullish in the midterm, in the daily chart. So guys, let's not panic at all if we see pullbacks, if we see corrections. That would be a normal movement and an opportunity to buy. And before we analyze the weekly chart is very crazy. Before we analyze, remember to subscribe at my trading newsletter, the Finance Hydra trading newsletter. This is the only newsletter which results are totally public. You may click here to check all my previous trades. Every single one of them are documented in this public document. You may just click here to see how we are performing. I am extremely transparent in what I do, so yeah, I think you guys are gonna like it. We use technical analysis, statistical analysis, and what's more, we always try to find the balance we need in order to beat the market. We are consistently beating the market for the past 52 weeks, so I think you have nothing to lose, am I right? So seriously, remember to subscribe at my trading newsletter, 7 days trial. You have absolutely nothing to lose. Now, the weekly chart in Tesla, as I promised, in the weekly chart, we had a bullish engulfing. Okay, great. But right now, we triggered this bullish engulfing. We broke the 21 exponential moving average and we are trading above it. And we are replicating the last bullish candlestick pattern over here. Of course, now we have an annoying shadow above the candlestick's body, but the magnitude of this candle is very, very similar. It is looking very, very good. And okay, maybe the volume is not the best over here. It is still slightly below the average. But considering today is Wednesday, I think we are doing pretty good over here after we triggered this bullish engulfing. So the bias is also clearly bullish in the long term as well. Tesla is trying to do another pivot point in the weekly chart. So as far as I know, it could easily retest the 2K or even the 3K in the next few months or years. But right now, we are struggling at the 1040s over here. Another important thing to keep in mind in Tesla is that we should never take a correction like this that seriously in the short term, because see, the moment Tesla started going up since March 14, look at this volume over here. Look at how the volume increased in Tesla. And right now, Tesla is dropping, but look at the volume dropping as well. So no one is actually selling Tesla. We may see some profit taking because people have different strategies. Some people are intraday trades, some people are short-term trades. Some people are intraday traders, some people are short-term traders, etc. But we don't see any crystal clear sell-off over here. This is just a normal, regular, weak pullback, and usually movements like this offer us opportunities to buy. I will keep you guys updated on Tesla every single day, so remember, my friends, subscribe at this channel. See you guys tomorrow. Stay safe. Farewell.